How to log into Ludo King game. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are trying to play Ludo King and wondering how to log in quickly so that you can start playing with friends or online players, first of all, launch open the Ludo King game on your device, and soon after you launch the game open, you'll see this page. Now from this page, go ahead and select one of the sign-in methods from the top of the screen. You can log in with Facebook, Google, or Play Games option, or even play as guest if you don't want to log in yet. If you just want to try the game without creating an account, but your progress may not be saved if you choose the Play as Guest option, I'm just going to choose the Login with Facebook option from the menu. Whichever option you choose, you'll need to enter the credential either for your Facebook or your Google account. Make sure to type in your credentials correct, and once you do, you'll need to allow access. Click the continue button or the allow button and you'll be able to sign in to Ludo King with Facebook account. Now click on the play button to start learning how to play the Ludo King game. It'll take you through a quick tutorial and there you have it. You can then start playing. So that's how it's super easy. Once you're inside, you'll see this kind of an interface. Since I've signed in with Facebook, it has taken my Facebook account's profile picture at the top left, as you can see it over here. You can again go ahead and change your profile avatar whenever needed, change your name, and so on. So that's it. You are now ready to join games, challenge friends, or play online tournaments. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.